days?
13.
13.
So yan guys, good morning. Supposed to be, this is my farewell to my company in the warehouse. But unfortunately, I thought it will be 9:30 in the morning. But the schedule is 7:30. So when I came to the work, it's already finished. So yan guys, bali this is my farewell to my company. Need to say goodbye to my fellow associate here in warehouse. Ayan guys, say goodbye. Goodbye Kuya Ernie.
Goodbye! Goodbye!
Say goodbye Irfan.
Goodbye! Goodbye!
So ayan guys, pinaghandaan nila ng pagkain. Tapos pinaghandaan nila ako ng regalo. Unfortunately, hindi na tayo makakapag-speech. So guys, he's my manager who always support me. Even the time I need his help, he's always here. That's why I'm very thankful to my manager, even though we are a very small time together. But 100% he give the support to me. So boss, thank you very much. But gaya ng mga ibang pangyayari, everything has an end. Maybe this is
We
the
are
end
sad
for
to
me.
release you, but unfortunately it is for your good, your future,
Yeah.
your career, so that even though we are not happy to release you, it has to be happen.
Yeah.
So good luck.
Okay, boss, thank you. Even a little speech for me. Thank you, boss, ha? So, yan, guys, naglaan ng aking boss. Now, all the guys coming for Kuya Ernie. Aywa!
Aywa!
Aywa. Thank you very much to all of you guys for supporting me working here in warehouse. You know it, I love you all guys. And I'm willing to support you every time you need my help. But it's very sad that my time is come to resign here in Salam Warehouse. And I will miss you guys. But what to do? I'm getting old and I need some rest. Okay guys, thank you very much. Actually guys, we are I think more than 50 person here in warehouse. But because I'm late, some delivery guys left already, so it's okay. At least I tell already what's inside my heart. And it's very sad to leave this company kung saan nag-serve ako ng 12 taon. But dahil nga sa ating edad, dapat tayong magpaalam sa Take 2. Guys, take 2 of farewell party. The first one, farewell party is
Part 2.
part 2.
Okay, guys, again, good morning to you all. Unfortunately, anyone unable to join with us previously, so that we invite him to come here to be with us. So here is a very small event. I cannot say a party for that, because we don't like to give a party to the person who is doing it. Sad moment. Alright, so then again, say Ernie is leaving us. It's a sad moment because he worked here a very long time with us. So I'm here very short period. I know that he was very good coordinating with us. He supported very well. Whenever I request something, even though his health is not allowing him to do, he tried his maximum to support us. There is no argument in that. Always very supportive employee, and we all together wish him cure his sickness as soon as possible, and also his life, his future will be very successful. Thank you so much. Adil. He is present this. One of your team members, please come to present it. Who else would like to present?
അടുത്ത ഉമർ അടുത്ത ഉമർ
Kayo ah. Ate kayo dyan.
It's too heavy.
Yung susi ng kotse, nasa labas mamaya na.
Guys, thank you very much. I have something to tell. Very sure. Only to say thank you very much for your support. Sometimes maybe I'm not in the mood or something. I'm sorry to all of you who I get angry. Sorry. But all of that is from one of nothing personal. Thank you very much.
Anyone else who would like to have a word?
So I want to thank Buy my car!
Soon he's very nice. He's going for his health and for his good. So we want to wish you a good luck for your life and we will pray for your health and happiness. Thank you so much for the support you have given us. He's the one who supports me for every time. DNA, location, he did overtime also for helping me and we appreciate and I'm really thankful for your depth of my heart. We will be always remember and we will be always miss. Thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Okay, eat.
I know that since when I'm going to lab, he surprised me with his Dubai Hardware.
അവനെ ഒരു മോജിട്ടെ
Guys, they are the guys who I will leave. Omar and my in charge Hussein. Goodbye, guys. And my supervisor Adan, who is now eating.
We are enjoying Khoya Arni Farewell's Party Samosa. And this is same delicious like
Our relationship.
our relationship. And maybe it will go on. Thank you so much for your support.
Ayun.
Appreciate it.
Thank you also. And Mr. Suentra, thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.
No need kiss, ha?
Only by the car.
Si Omar from Mindanao. Yeah, si Omar. Ito ang kasabahin ko talaga dito. Una lang siya sa akin dito ng
2 months
2 months ba? O, 2 months tapos ako na. Yeah, matagal na rin yan dito si Omar. Si Danny. Ang isa sa akin mga sparring partner dito. Ahead siya sa akin ng 2 years. Matagal na rin to dito sa... Tapos yung isa nasa likod si Michael. Yan.
From Laguna,
Guys,
shoutout sa taga Laguna.
Yeah. Yan si Michael. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala si Michael yan. Pamangkin ni Mrs. Yan siya guys. Si Ricky.
For training kami.
They also like no. So, sila yung mga the old guys here in warehouse. And Ricky, not all guys, I mean in service, in term of service. So, guys. Come run! Come!
Come, run.
Yeah, there's other guys who you don't like me. This guy don't like me.
Dal Billel. Who said I don't like you?
So,
You are
guys.
my favorite, one of my favorite colleagues.
Yeah, guys,
We will
here's
miss you,
Kamran.
Yarni. We will miss you.
I will miss you
All the
also,
best
guys.
for the-
Thank you very much for the support, for the friendship. Guys,
Always be in touch.
I have WhatsApp no
We are following your YouTube.
these guys number one, they follow my YouTube channel. Thank you,
Okay, guys.
Yeah, Machala.
Kumusta?
This is
All
the
of you?
guy.
My man. Support guys and share and
Subscribe.
so if I want to give you a small speech regarding about this Kalbo guy, and he's really good and supportive, and he's like helping each other, and especially for me, like he's the one doing all the fighting and so on. So I really appreciate it, your hard work.
Thank you.
And go ahead, I have a small gift for you.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All right. Then enjoy your life, and I'm wishing you for your good health.
Okay.
Get speed up recovery.
Okay, thank you.
Masalama.
Salam. Yeah, there's Safwan, yeah.
Both of them are married.
Before this guy, I'm with his father, he's in Salam. His father, now the son. That's all I am here in the... And there's our friend also, yeah, guys. Our friend here in warehouse. Yeah. Brazil.
We are always present.
Thank you, guys. And you saw that guy? That guy sitting there? That is Irfan. He gave me cup. Not the cup, I throw already.
How many years together?
6 years? 7 years
He's the
together.
oldest guy also. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but guys, look at both of them are saying no hair, no hair.
Hello guys, this is Munasir, one of my partner here in DLC before.
We worked together right before.
Now I will leave him as the in charge of the photography. So, you can say something for your Kuya Ernie? In Tagalog, ha? In Tagalog.
Tagalog.
So,
Wish you all your very best for your future.
yeah.
And really we miss you. How many years we worked together? I think almost 8 years we worked together. And this sad moment, we have to cherish that. We wish all your very best
Yeah.
in your future.
And you ask these guys how many fight we fight in the morning,
Yes.
then in the afternoon, we're together. Work only.
Yes. As a family, we work together. No.
Yeah.
All the best to you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Yan guys, isa pa nating kababayan, si Poch. Ano namin, sa inventory team siya. Yan. Mga mudir namin. So yan guys.
Oo nga, kakulay tayo. Kasayaw ata tayo.
Pero dapat nga, parehas pa kami walang buhok niyan. Ewan ko nga, ba't nagkabuhok ngayon yan eh? Nagbakasyon lang eh.
Ako kasi nakikita ka niya.
Ganda. Ang tawag dyan salt and pepper. Yan yung kulay ng buhok niya, salt and pepper. So yan guys, ang mga Pinoy kong kasama dito sa warehouse. Si Obet from San Pedro, Laguna at si Robin. Hoy Robin, ikakasal ka na pala? Medyo po. Yan guys, Robin. So yun na lang yung naging farewell party nila para sa akin. So hanggang dito na lang yung ating video at syempre sa mga bago sa channel ko, please subscribe. Katotos TV. Tapos pakihit yung ating notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga video. Okay guys, bye-bye.